Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video I am going to recreate this card I made about 2 weeks ago. I posted it on my Instagram and I got some requests for a video on how I made this. So let's get started. I am using this floral stencil by Simon Says Stamp. I don't remember the name of it, but I will find that for you. And then for the sentiment, I'm using the Simon Says Stamp Freestyle Flowers, and I'm using the Hello Friend sentiment. And I am using my Nuvo Shimmer Powders. I'm using Atlantis Burst, Cherry Bomb, and Solar Flare. So let's get started. And then for my watercolor paper, I'm just using some Master's Touch watercolor paper that I have in my stash. Now this has the my pixie spray on the back of it, so there should be enough stick on there to still work. I think so. And then all I really did was put some of this shimmer powder where I wanted it. Oh, that's not where I want that one though. Let me fix this up. Sorry about that. So some of the pink on the flower petals. So as you can imagine, no two will turn out exactly the same. And then on this shimmer powder, you want to tap on it very lightly, otherwise you will get a big burst of this powder everywhere. And this one is Cherry Bomb that I'm putting for the flower petals. Let me see, that should be enough. And then for the leaves, I am using Atlantis Burst. And you'll see once I spray the water how this color moves. And what I am going to be using as my spray is some water mixed with Perfect Pearls, just to give it a bit of shimmer. And then for the center of the flowers, I'm using Solar Flare. And for these little dots. See how that turns out. And let me get my spray with Perfect Pearls. Just have to shake it up a bit. And I'm using it in this mini mister that I have. All right, let us see. And then I will grab, I knew what I did with it, my rag here, just to kind of press down a bit. This is basically what I did on the previous card. I want more movement there where I'm seeing the drops. And I think I want more of the green, so I just add a little bit more and a little bit more. And then we're going to go ahead and lift that. Oh, that one didn't come out quite as nice, I think, because my pixie spray didn't have as much stick. I'm not going to get rid of that though. Let's try this again. I'll clean this up with some I'm going to do one last panel because the last one, I mean, well, it did come out very bright. I kind of like this one. It's a lot lighter. So I think I did less of the shimmer powders. Well, let's see how this comes out. Well, as you can see, I have made several panels trying to make them look close to this. But with watercolor and shimmer powders, you never get the exact panel twice. But I'm going to go ahead and use these. So I think I'll use this one for now, and then I will make additional cards with these other panels. And I'm going to go ahead and use foam tape to pop this up just a little. And this is Simon Says Stamp foam tape. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.